Hello everyone, this is Lydia. When you're first getting started on using your Cricut and Design Space, you may wonder where to start. Cards are a great way to learn and build your skills, but how do you make a card? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of making a card from the Simple Cards image set in Cricut Design Space. After you log into Design Space, from the home screen, click New Project. Next, click on Images. Once in Images, click on Cartridges. We want to find a card that's on the Simple Cards image set, so put the word Simple in the search field. On the Simple Cards image set, click View All 50 Images. So we're going to scroll down until we get to the card that we're looking for, the Happy Birthday to You card. There it is. And select it and click Insert Images. Now, before you do anything else, let's save our project. And I'm going to name it the name of the card and the cartridge name. But you can name it whatever you want. I'm zooming out here so that you can see more of what's going on. I have my screen smaller so it doesn't get compressed on YouTube. So for this project, the card and the envelope are in one big group when it comes into Design Space. So we're going to click Ungroup. And this card includes an envelope, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to make this card 5x7 and use a standard A7 envelope. So I'll just click on the eye and hide the envelope. And if I decide at a later time I want to go back and make it, I can. Next, I'm going to size the card. I hit Select All, and I'm going to set the width to 10 inches so that it's 5 inches wide when we fold it. And the height will be almost 7 inches. Now I'm ready to cut, but before I hit Make It, I'll hit Save so don't risk losing my work. So now I'll hit Make It, and because of the tops of my mats tend to be less sticky after a while and the weight of the mat can cause the top of the cardstock to pop up, I'm going to move the card down to the bottom of the mat. And if with an older mat, I often use just a little bit of painter's tape to make sure that the cardstock stays down. Now on this design is a little bit intricate, and I'm going to use textured cardstock, and I'm going to put the textured cardstock textured side down, and I'm going to I'll mirror it so that the smooth side of the cardstock is on the inside of my card where I'll be doing any writing. And it's going to ask for the score tool. If you don't have the scoring stylus, that's fine. You can use a scoring board, or you can just fold it by hand. And we hit Continue. And I already have my dial set to custom, and because this is an intricate cut, like I said, I'm going to use cardstock for intricate cuts custom setting. And it asks for my scoring stylus, and it's going to use the fine point blade. So now I'm ready to cut. Once it's cut, flip the mat over and carefully peel the mat away from the paper. You may need to use a spatula or other tool to coax some of the smaller pieces off of the mat. You can use glue to stick all the tiny pieces down, or you can use double-sided tape around the edges and it'll work just fine. If this video has been helpful, please leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.